This is a demonstration of an automated macro input script building application that also includes an error logging report. The basis behind the program is it reads a input Excel spreadsheet file for the criteria to build the macro. And in this particular application, we have 11 records. So it builds the file and tells us completed. So then what we'll do is run the actual macro itself. Okay, and here's the actual macro that's built. This is with an extension of .zmc. And what this program is doing is entering each set of data. And it's writing information out to the screen to tell us if the data was entered correctly. Or if the data was not entered correctly, it will give us an error report. So records 1 and 2 have been entered correctly. Record 3 has been entered correctly. And record 4 is giving us an error message saying the field didn't update. And the same with record 5. It's telling us that the code we're putting is already in the file. And same with record 6. And record 7 is okay. That was entered correctly. Record 8 was entered correctly. Record 9 we have an error. Record 10 is correct. And here's record 11. Now what I've done is I've blocked out some of the information as far as the account for purposes of not showing this in demonstration. So we had 11 records total entered, and we show 4 errors as a result. It also provides us with the IP address of the actual desktop application that sent the information to the update screens. So we have processed 11 records. So what we can now do is go back to the actual error log itself. Let's end this. Alright, let's see where the error log is here. It should be that right there. Alright, now the beautiful thing about this application, it can run as a standalone app without any user intervention after they start the application. I have personally used this app for as many as 10,000 iterations. So what happens as the application runs a macro, it sends information to a text file and keeps track of the data as it's entered with a timestamp. So as you can see, records 1, 2, and 3 were entered correctly with no problem. Records 4, 5, and 6, actually record 4 did not update. Records 5 and 6, the request update information was already in the actual record as a coded E. Record 7 and 8 updated correctly. Record 9, again, the account was already coded with a E on the system, and records 10 and 11 were entered correctly. So again, we have 11 entries, and at the end of the complete listing, it shows us the actual errors. And also at the bottom of the error log. It shows us the, again, IP address of the desktop application that ran this program, and 11 accounts processed, 4 had errors. So that is the end of my demonstration for this application. Thank you for your time.